Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use JavaScript method called setInterval to automatically change the background of your page every 1 second. Now you can use this to affect most of your properties to happen number of time in seconds, minutes or hours, whatever you would like. That's it, and that's exactly what I use to make the seconds of this clock to tick every 1 second. If you look at it, it's ticking and it's looking very beautiful. So if you want to do something like this at the end of the video, you can watch this video. It's gonna give you an edge of how you can make things like this happens in your web page. So here I'm just going to open my Visual Studio Code. I'll put this by the side and I'll open the Lifesaver extension from my Visual Studio Code, and boom, I already have this guy. Okay, I'm supposed to use this other guy. This is the first one, so I'm gonna open this one. So this guy is doing literally nothing. What do I have in my index.html? I have a button. I do nothing. If I go to my style sheet, I've commented out some stylings here, which I'm going to comment them back in. And yes, min height 100, view height, background color initially set to red, justify content center and display flex. And for my button, I have some styles I want to apply, which is just not gonna look that good, but yeah, it's something I can work with. So this is basically what of my JavaScript code. So in the JavaScript section, I have an array containing an array containing number 1 through 0 and A to F, which is going to be added up to form a valid hex. So the next thing I'm going to do is to create a function that generates my random number. So random random number. Now this function is going to return a random number of range 0 through the length of my colors. So I'm just going to say return math.floor and then math random colors dot length. So dot log that out. Every time I refresh a page, I'm going to have a random number between 0 and the total length of my array. That's what I mean. So since that has worked, the next thing I'm going to do is to create another function which is going to allow us to change the background of our page. Function background changer, background. So first I'm gonna say let b background equals a string that holds a value of hash. That holds the value of hash. So for loop, let I equals 0. I is less than colors length I plus plus. What I'll do next is to say for every time background is plus equals to I. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna say colors dot. So for every time this is gonna run for 6 times, and this is just going to add my random values from random items from my array, and these items, the digits will be what we will have as our background. So if I console dot log this out, log out background, I should be able to see that. Yeah, let me refresh this. Okay, I think I have made some mistakes there. So this is background plus equals to, all right, now colors at 0. So if I console.logs out, so what I'm supposed to do here was I is less than 6, since we need only 6 items. If I save this out, then we have a valid href code. The next thing I'm supposed to change my background. So I'm just gonna say body dot. First, I'll target the body. So let body el equals document body, and here again body el dot style dot background is equals to bg. So if I run this function again, then our background change. Every time I change it, we get a new background. So what I'm supposed to do is to bring that JavaScript method into play, and the method is setInterval. The first argument will be a function you want to run, so which is in our case background changer, and then a comma and specified interval, that specified time interval you want the function to keep repeating itself. So yes, we are done with the project, and yes, you can see how simple this project is, but other people it might be a bit stressful for them. So if you know you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give us a like and a subscribe button, a subscription there, as well as tell us more you want us to do in the comment section. Thank you. So I use this to make this clock work. You see the seconds is moving in a manner it should. Thank you. Subscribe.